Hello everyone, welcome back into this channel, and in this video I would like to show you the way how to automatically pick up your photo into the iClouds so that you can delete and save the storage into your iPhone device. So to do that, you just need to open the settings, and right after that you just need to scrolling down until you found photo. Here it is, and then you just need to click it to open. And right after that, you just need to go take a look on this iCloud sections. So there will be an iCloud photos. So you just need to turn it on, this button, and you just need to wait until the process is done. And you can also upgrade the options. It will be showing the information about the iClouds, either the iClouds of your Apple account is still available to pick up your photo or not. If you are having less capacity, you can just upgrade the iClouds that you have. So that is the way how to turn on or how to automatically upload your picture into the iClouds. Hopefully this tutorial today is useful for you guys. So don't forget to leave some comment, like, and subscribe into this channel, and I'll see you for the next tutorial.